What's up everybody? It's Mike with Six Pack Shortcuts. I got an awesome topic to talk about with you today. We're gonna be going over the topic, does muscle turn into fat when you stop working out? Seems like it's to be true, right? And honestly, I used to believe the exact same thing. Muscle looks like it turns into fat. Why? You see those big guys and you see them and it looks like gravity seems to be hanging everything down, like their chest now looks like titties. Their arms, your biceps used to be big and now it's like one of those wavy big fat women, wavy arms. So it seems like everything's turning into fat, right? And then that's why people always tell me, well, you don't want to get too big because you don't want to turn to fat when you're old and stuff, look like one of those guys. But number one, you don't have to worry about getting too big. Yeah, that's like, whoo, pie in the sky thing, okay? And number two, it doesn't turn into fat. But here's the thing, if I tell you it doesn't turn into fat, you're like, okay, well, it looks like it turns into fat, what's going on? I'm here to actually explain how that works, and it took me a little while to understand it, but it's actually pretty simple once you get it. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Let's go over one easy fact first. So the way muscle works, how do you build muscle? Well, you have to go ahead and do the work, right? But here's the thing, if you don't do the work, if you don't do anything, your muscle disappears. Have you ever heard the term, whatever you don't, well, how does that go? So, use it or lose it. There you go, that's it. It goes for all kinds of muscle. You know what I mean? Use it, all right? So, remember that, use it or lose it, okay? All right, so now let's get to it. So, we got, if you're working out, you're on this side. If you cross over there, you're a lazy bum. That's how I see it. So let's say you're working out, right? All you guys are working out, you're on this side, right? So let's talk about your eating. So let's just say the average person, let's say they eat 2,500 calories. So we're gonna use these numbers as examples, okay? So let's say you eat 2,500 calories, okay, per day. So when you're working out, you have your metabolism, right? Okay, and your metabolism increases when you work out. All right, so put a little increase sign there. So let's just say, for example, your metabolism, you burn about 2,000 calories just off of metabolism alone. Why? Because the afterburn effect. You work out, your muscles need more calories to recover, so your metabolism increases, okay? So let's say 2,000 calories. Well, and also, when you're actually working out, you're actually also burning calories directly. So let's just say you burn about 500 calories, okay? So in this case, how much you're eating, you eat about 2,500 calories, for example, and how much are you burning? If you add up 2,000 plus 500, it equals 2,500, okay? At the end of the day, it is called